This is our scanning unit, which consists of an ELO touchscreen and a 60 page per minute Kodak scanner. Now I am going to show you how to scan a 10-page repair order. Let's bring up our service scanning application. Click on Repair Orders and click on Scan Repair Orders. This will initiate the scanning process, which will scan the pages front and back and use OCR technology to read the repair order numbers from the pages. After scanning is complete, the repair order number will be shown on the screen. For our example, the repair order number is 995957. You can now confirm that the repair order number matches the number on the screen. Then click OK, which converts the scanned pages into a document PDF and saves them into the system. To view the scanned pages, simply click on the View button, which will bring up the document viewer where you can easily see and navigate all the scanned pages. You also have the ability to scan small items like battery test receipts or service coupons. Simply load the small items onto the scanner and click the Scan Small Items button, and these will be scanned and added to the existing repair order. You can view the scanned items by clicking the View button, where you can see the items at the bottom of the PDF document. Now, I am going to show you how service advisors, service managers, accounting, warranty administrators, and others can see the scanned repair orders. Each user will have the repair order viewer, which allows them to look up the repair orders by repair order number, VIN number, and customer name. For this example, we will use the repair order we scanned, which is 995957. Click Search. The scanned record will be shown, and by clicking on the scanned date, you can see the contents of the scanned repair order. Here, users can print, download, or email the repair order document. It's simple. How much does this cost? You don't need to contact us or email us for a quote. We'll give it to you right now. $500 installation, $500 monthly service fee per unit. No long-term contract, just month to month. Service scanning. Organize your service documents, saving time and money.